Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about how to be on TV shows. I get that question all the time. So, the daily talk shows are a great way to get on television, and they air from about end of August, early September through May, and then they have a hiatus over the summer. But what you can do is go to any of the websites of the daytime shows and look for the tab that says be a guest and see if you fit into any of those categories with your expertise. And it really is that easy. So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. If you like this tip and you'd like to learn how to get more visibility for your business through media, please join our PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's a 10-day challenge. It's less than 10 minutes a day. And by taking it, you will get massive visibility for your business. So I'll see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.